and he does come into a rescue situation where that job is winnable, obviously, for him day one, should he want to, or if they think it's better to develop him, it's not a big deal to have Case Keenum go in and play for a little while.
And I think develop is the key word in all this. We talked a lot about Snyder and his involvement in the draft. County 49 traffic stop. First block of pitch.
Sir, go back into your car. I'll be with you in a second.
You better check the registration on this plate soon, mister. Yeah, 23 left. 23.5.
Have a good day, Judge.
You bet.